Update on the plants. We'll walk over and see the garden in a minute. This was the sidewalk we put in. Let's go around here and see. We live on the very edge of outskirts of everything. So. We got trees and everything that fall down. Our oregano didn't make it. This is the parsley. We got some chives and rosemary's back here. And thyme, sage. Love me some sage. Got a few tomatoes on the tomato plants. Here's a green one. Here's a couple. See if you can see them good. What was everything? This was... Yeah. Ricky's on it. They're kind of hard to see if I can get them in the camera. Some more tomatoes. Here's our squash. And some buns. We put eggshells in. It helps. And some more herbs. We were trying different containers. These smaller ones didn't do very well. Do you remember what's over here in this garden?
Vietnamese milk melon. What that is.
Yeah, this is a Vietnamese milk melon, aka titty plant. Ricky thought it was hilarious, of course. We're getting a few little flowers, so we'll see what happens on that one. But that's all. We're trying different containers, see what grows, what doesn't grow. They're coming along though. Thanks for joining us.